get home. It's your favorite song.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this crochet bucket hat using velvet yarn, and it also has ruffles on it. Yeah, if you are interested in learning how to make this hat, just keep watching. Hat is, you're gonna need some needles to weave in the ends, a pair of scissors, and I'm gonna be using the two different hooks. So I'm gonna be using my 5.5 millimeter hook and my 5 millimeter hook. And the yarn I'm going to be using is this Bernat crushed velvet yarn in the color, where's the color? Burgundy. So yeah. So to start this hat off, you're going to make a slip knot, and I'm starting off with the 5.5 hook. Gonna make a slip knot, and then you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to put 10 double crochets in that first stitch. Three, 4. Alright, and you're gonna connect the circle in that first stitch, make a slip knot to connect it, and that is the first round. So for the second for the second round, you're going to chain 2, and you're going to put a double crochet in that same stitch, and you are going to place 2 double crochets in each stitch. And when you get back to this stitch, you're going to place a slip knot to connect the circle. So you're gonna connect with a slip stitch, and you should have, for the second round, you should have 22 double crochets. For the third row, you are going to chain 2, place a double crochet in the same stitch, and in the next stitch you're going to place 1 double crochet. In the next stitch you're placing 2 double crochets. In the next stitch it's 1. In the next stitch it's 2. So you're going to repeat that pattern until you get all the way around, and you're going to connect the circle with a slip stitch. So I connected it with the slip stitch, and for the next round you're going to chain 2, place a double crochet in the same stitch, and you're going to now place 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then you're going to do 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So for this round it's 2 double crochets in 1 stitch and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So I just did the 2, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and the next one will be 2 double crochets in the same stitch. And you're going to repeat that pattern like you did for the last row all the way around, and you're going to connect it with the slip knot. The slip stitch. Alright, for the next row, you're going to start off the same, chain up 2, place a double crochet in the same stitch. Now in this row, the pattern is you already have your 2 in the same, and then you're going to place 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch 2 double crochets. So 1 double crochet in the next 3, okay. So I've finished row 5. And for row 6, you're going to start out the same way with the chain up 2 and place a double crochet in the same stitch. So for row 6, it's going to be 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet in the next 4. and in the 5th one it's 2. On row 7 it is the chain up 2, place 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you're going to place a double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and in the 6th stitch it's 2. Those are the patterns for the next 2. Okay, so I finished row 7, and for row 8 you're going to chain up 2, and you're going to place 1 double crochet in the back loops only. It's going to be hard to see, but yeah, so 1 double crochet in the back loops all the way around, and you connect with a slip stitch. So for the next 5 rows, you're just going to be placing 1 double crochet in each stitch for the next 5 rows. So row 9 through 13, you're going to be placing 1 double crochet in each stitch. Alright, now that you're finished with those 5 rows, 9 through 13, for row 14, you are going to chain up 2 and place 2 double crochets in the front loops of each stitch. Okay, so now that you completed the 14th row, which was putting 2 double crochets in the front loops of each stitch, now you're going to just do a row of double crochets in each stitch all the way around. Now what I'm gonna do is switch to the 5mm hook, and I'm going to chain 1, and I'm just gonna go around with a row of single crochets in each stitch. Okay, so basically the hat is all finished. You just want to take a needle and weave in you want to weave in the ends to this side of the hat, and don't forget about the inside. Where did it go? Okay, don't forget about the inside of the hat. And yeah, you guys, that's basically it for this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.